Here's the easiest way to record your Windows screen with a free built-in tool in Windows, and you can even record the sounds that are coming out of your PC and the sound of your microphone. Let me show you how. On your Windows 11 PC, click on the search box and type in Snipping and choose Snipping Tool. In the Snipping Tool application, you have two main options. Either you take a snapshot of your screen, but this is not the purpose of this video, or either you record everything that's happening on the screen, and this is what I'm gonna show you. So make sure that the video cam here is selected, and then click on the new button, and the Snipping Tool application will ask you to select the region of the screen that you wanna record. Here I'm gonna record all the screen, so I'm gonna put the crosshair cursor on the top left and then drag it all the way to the bottom right corner. So this is the screen region selected that I wanna record. And here you have the option to record the sound of the PC, which I'm gonna leave, or also you have the option to record your microphone. And if you have multiple microphones, you can click on the drop down arrow here and select the microphone that you wanna record. Here I'm gonna disable the microphone because I'm recording in OBS. So let me disable it, click on it, and then choose mute. And to start the recording, click on start. And there is no limit for the recording. I tested it for 1 hour and it worked. So now everything you do on the screen is recorded, and even if you play a YouTube video, this is one of my YouTube videos, if you play it, it's gonna record with the sound. The Photos application in Microsoft Windows. So let me stop it here, and whatever you do, it will be recorded, and this way you can save it as MP4. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So let me stop the recording. So this is the recorded video. It is in the Snipping Tool. Here you have the option to trim it if you want to. So you can just remove the portions that you don't want to. I'm gonna click on cancel. I'm not gonna trim it here. You can play it directly in the Snipping Tool. So here's the video playing. Microsoft Windows has many. So this is the YouTube video that we recorded. Let me stop it. And also you can save it. So let's click on save, and you can save it as an MP4 file. So let me click on save here simply, and let's play it from the downloads folder where I saved it. And here it is playing, and it will play the video as we just recorded it. There are still many options in the Snipping Tool application. If you want me to cover them, don't hesitate to tell me in the comments. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you on the next video.